Today we will create a very simple PocketMine-MP 5 plugin from scratch. You will learn about the plugin structure, what plugin.yml does, how to handle an event, and how to handle a command. To follow the tutorial, you need a running PocketMine-MP 5 server and a code editor such as VS Code, PHPStorm, or other editors. But in this case, I am using PHPStorm, which in my opinion is the best IDE. The plugin we will create today will be simple, but it will teach you the fundamental concepts necessary for any plugin. Inside the server folder, go to the plugins directory, create a new folder. The folder should be named after your plugin, in my case YouTube tutorials. Inside it, we will create two items, a plugin.yml file and an src folder for our PHP code. Plugin.yml tells PocketMine the plugin name, plugin version, main path, API version, plugin author, and description. In plugin.yml, we need to register a /hello command, as well as the permission for the command. Since PocketMine 4 already requires you to give permission to a command, if you don't do so, the server will tell you to add it. Now, in the main path, we need to create a folder inside the src folder, which we will call tutorial, since in plugin.yml the folder containing the main.php file is inside tutorial. So create it. After creating the main.php class, after this, let's add extends PluginBase. What does PluginBase do? PluginBase provides the basic functions of a plugin, manages when the plugin is loaded, started, or disabled, onload, onEnable, ondisable. It provides useful methods such as getServer, getLogger, getDataFolder, and configuration functions saveConfig and reloadConfig. It allows your plugin to interact with the server and the PocketMine API. Then we implement Listener. Listener is a class that listens to what happens in the game. Inside Listener, write methods that react to those events, and register it in the plugin's onEnable. Now let's create the onEnable method. It is executed when the plugin starts up and is used to initialize everything the plugin needs to use. Inside onEnable, we write getLoggerInfo. What does this string do? It writes an informational message to the server console. Immediately after that, we write getServer, getPluginManager, register events. Register events tells the server to register this class as a listener for the plugin, so that events are intercepted and handled. Now let's create onDisable. OnDisable is executed when the plugin shuts down or is disabled and is used to save data and perform final cleanup. We send a message to the console when the plugin shuts down with getLogger. Immediately after, we create a method called onJoin. This method will handle the player join event. Player join event is triggered when a player joins the server and allows the plugin to react to the event. Inside the event, we create a player variable, which takes the player involved in the event and assigns it. Then we write event setJoinMessage. What does this function do? It sets or modifies the message that is displayed in chat when a player joins the server. Immediately after, we do the opposite with player quit event. It has the same logic, so don't worry. Public function onCommand is the method PocketMine uses to handle plugin commands. Sender is who executed the command, command is the command executed, label is the name used for the command, args are the arguments written after the command. Stringfollower converts the command name to lowercase to avoid problems with capital letters. If $sender instanceIf player checks if the person who executed the command is an in-game player, then sends a colored message to the player with their name. Else is executed if the command was not made by a player. Then return true signals that the command was executed correctly. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe to support me and encourage me to make more tutorials like this. Follow me on GitHub if you like, there are some cool projects there. See you next time.